Yes? Wow! Hey, who am I seeing?
Father Mike, good to see you.
Good to see you, Tim. You look good. How are you, Tim?
I'm fine, Father Mike. How are you doing?
Thank God.
I'm sure my parents must have bombarded you with questions.
Wow, they try. They tried a lot, but I never accepted you told me anything.
Okay.
So, I hope you're on the right track.
With the girl, yes. But I think that it's time I start unveiling myself to avoid something going wrong.
Yes. But first thing first, you go home and see your parents.
I hope you're coming with me.
Sure, I will. Sit down.
Thank you.
We start going. Yeah,
alright.
We have to.
His love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover.
I'm feeling good.
Why are you so excited?
Yeah.
Huh?
What's why you've been selected among the people who is going to travel to America for his whole country? Yes, Father. But that's not the reason I'm here. Why are you here? Where's my brother?
Who?
My brother.
Bishop, your brother.
How many brothers have I? My only brother, Timothy, of course.
I guess you are dreaming. Girl, if you are dreaming, wake up from your dreams.
Oh?
Because I don't understand what you are talking about.
Mother, I am not dreaming, neither am I joking. Yes, Timo called me some hours ago asking my whereabouts. Then I took him left and right to be here.
Are you sure of
yes.
this? Please come inside so your dad will hear what you are saying.
Yeah, darling.
Open the door.
My friend Kim is really worried. Have you heard from Timo? She hasn't seen him or heard from him. It's strange.
To be honest with you, I have not seen him. As a matter of fact, I passed through his shop to hear people complaining about his attitude towards his new business. Listen, I suggest we should go and see his father.
I'm just coming from there. Oh, you think I'm resting? No, I'm just coming from there. And the man said he hasn't even seen him or heard from him. Nobody knows where Timo is. It's so strange. Why would he behave like that?
This whole thing is confusing. If he's not here, then where could he be?
I don't know, but Kim feels he ran away because of the way his father treated him while he was staying with them.
That's another issue on its own.
Yes.
But I think, whatever be the problem, he should have at least come home. Let's talk about it.
Exactly.
Whatever he's going through, I don't think this is the best way to go about it.
It's just so strange. I don't know how to figure out all these things. Like,
I don't understand too much. I really do not understand this is pattern.
I just pray he's okay wherever he is. Yes.
His love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh. Move back, move back. Rap for me, Timo, Timo.
Father. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
Sorry? Wow. Wow. Oh. You're welcome. What have we done wrong? Where did we offend you?
Mother, I'm sorry.
What did we do?
Mother, please forgive me. Father, I'm so sorry. It was all for good. Mirabel, how's your family? I hope they are good.
Yes, my dear brother. I told you both that he called me.
Father Mike, you have some explanations to make.
But Dad, it wasn't Father Mike's fault. I made him promise me never to share this with anyone, no matter what. I will explain everything to you, Father. Please. I'm sorry, Father. It wasn't Father Mike's fault. It was all my fault. And I was already on track with my adventure.
Sorry. The girl you said that who is she?
The type of girl that you will fall in love with, Mom. And you would say, son, it was all worth it.
Wait a minute. Who is that man prepared to stand in that position?
He's a noble man, a carpenter. He welcomed me with open arms and with clear heart. I truly called him father.
About the point we agreed that you will be calling me from time to time to update me on what's going on. What happened to you? Why did you stoop so low to become a maid servant in another man's house?
Father Mike, I was in the middle of a deep blue sea and the fire and had no time to seek for ideas or guidance. So I relied on my intuition. I'm sorry, Father Mike. I'm truly sorry.
Food is ready.
Wow.
So let's move to the dining.
I'm famished.
As I said,
Really?
so here we go.
Sure.
Sorry.
At least I won't have to marry right there.
Like that, his love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh. No bigger, no man. Rap for me, Timo, Timo.
This is delicious. It's been a long time I ate a well-prepared meal like this. My dear, you made this soup so well. Thank you.
You're welcome, my dear brother. You know I had to prepare something very nice to enable you fill up some places. Because you look to me like someone that just returned from prison.
You can say that again.
So, this man you said you are having, I think I know him well.
I don't think so, Dad.
You know, we have connections and into places and you should know which town to reach.
Dad, I know what you're capable of. But trust me, he is way below your league of friends.
That everything you talk in our lives, you should know that.
You see exactly why I didn't say anything from the beginning. Dad, these things are not done that way.
Not when I'm involved.
Dad, don't worry. Don't worry. Everything will work out. Trust me. Don't worry, Dad. Right now, nothing can stand between me and this egusi soup. What, Dad?
Enjoy your meal, bro.
Chicken. Father Mike. Good food is good food, especially when it's homemade.
Like that, his love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh. No bigger, no man. Rap for me, no Timo.
Papa. Hey, you look so cute. Thank you, Papa. Your friends have been asking us to come in here. Don't worry. I know. I'll get to them later. For now, I came for you. Yes, I want you to meet my parents. Your parents? Yes. I thought you told me that your parents are late. I'm sorry about that. Those were one of the lies I told to keep the cheap sailing. Hey, this is unbelievable. I would like to meet them. Yes. I mean it. I would like to meet the parents of a good boy like you. They are looking forward to meeting you. I will not waste time to. Hey! Let's go.
Special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh. No bigger, no man. Rap for me, no Timo.
Timothy, you mean this is your father's mansion and you left it to suffer and receive all manners of insult?
I had a goal. And I had to do what
Timothy, you are truly a special breed.
Thank you, sir.
A special breed.
Let me show you inside. Let's go in.
Timothy,
Sir.
I never knew you have a wonderful family. And you are this humble. Why some of your men that made it to change something their elders you really like?
It all depends on how they were raised.
Yes, my son. Your parents raised you well. Your parents raised you well.
And we are grateful how we get our son blended to society that he found. You know, giving him word of advice and backing him up as a fellow is something I will be forever thankful.
Chief, your son, you want everyone gave you, and we applied them all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
And that's why I have to work everything around. You know, I've been to a big house because he told me that you do not have a home. And also establish something that you keep doing, mama, so you don't have to stress yourself again.
Hey, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And thank you so much.
Thank you, Dad. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
I'm happy for you. Thank you, Dad. Son, you still have to play along till it's over.
There's no problem.
I hope you understand.
There's no problem.
Just play along. It will be over very soon. Thank you.
Hey.
He's a wonderful actor.
Sorry, Jenny. I don't see any possibility of what you asked for.
Please, Chief. Today is my birthday. And all I'm asking is for you to just allow Kim to come with me. I just want to cut my cake, take pictures, drink juice, and before evening she's back. Please.
Chief, please. Jennifer is not an outsider. She understands what is on board. She knows the reason you stopped Kim from coming out. But today is different for her. Birthdays, like she said, is something one spends and celebrates once every year. Let's allow our daughter to go with Jennifer. I mean, she's remained in that place for too long. Okay, if she were to be a working class girl, would you have stopped her from going to work? Is it because she's an obedient child and has agreed to remain in that place? She's been there for too long. Please.
So after all this your long episode, if I say no, you hold it against me?
Is that a yes, sir?
She's in her room.
Oh my God! Thank you so much, Chief. Thank you. Mommy, thank you so much. Let me go and get her.
Why do you say that?
Because I don't want her to keep being stuck in that room. Because it might affect her psychologically. I don't want that for my child.
It's alright.
Girlfriend, I thought you said we're going to your house.
Yes, but firstly, I want us to stop at the supermarket to get 1 or 2, then we go home and enjoy.
Thank you so much for bringing me out today. My head would have exploded in that house.
You don't have to think. What are friends for? It's alright. Let's just go.
Thank you. I missed you.
I missed you too. I'm happy to see you. Like, I can't wait.
Can't wait for you.
No, I mean I can't wait for us to get home.
Okay.
And then gist and enjoy.
Close, I guess.
Yeah. Let's go. So we go.
I don't understand you, Jenny. You told me we are going somewhere only for you to bring me here and told me you want to see someone in the car.
I just wanted to say hi to someone, then we continue.
No problems. Could you please go to the car, say hi to the person and come back? Let's go.
Kim, calm down.
You're making me to lose trust where
Just
you were.
come first.
I'm not going. You think I'm joking?
Oh God, Kim, don't be like your father. Let's just go. Why are you baby like your father? Oh,
Joe. So Joe is the person you wanted to say hello to?
Yes.
Hello, Kim.
What in God's name is going on, Jenny? Joe!
The thing is that I'm surprised as you are when Timothy drove into my compound and started telling me stories.
Stories about what?
A lot.
Where did he get the car from?
Let me tell you. A lot. You're going to find out. Just calm down. Relax.
No, I'm nervous. What is going on?
Let's go to my house. My family is waiting for us. There, you will know everything.
Are you serious?
All the answers to your questions await you in my family house. Let's go.
Where's your father, the carpenter?
That one too is another story altogether. We're just realizing that everything has been fake.
You mean the man you introduced to us as your father is not your father?
Yes.
And why in God's name did you do all of that?
Kim, I understand you have questions, and I have answers for you. Let's go to my family house. Let's go meet my family. Let's go.
Love him like that. His love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh. No bigger, no man. Rap for me, Timo.
Frances,
Ma'am,
what are you saying?
Ma, it's just that I overheard Jenny and Sister Ken discussing about something before leaving the house.
I don't understand. What did you hear? Is she not free to go see someone? Or did you overhear them say they want to go see a man?
No, Mom.
So what did you hear?
I'm not really sure.
Frances, I don't trust you. It's like you know something and you're hiding it from me.
No, Mom. I'm sure of what I heard.
That's a lie. It's either you're covering up for your sister or she sent you to come find out if I overheard them as well.
No, Mom. I'm only concerned. Like, I don't want a situation whereby if Dad comes back and I say something different.
No, there's no problem with that. If your father should ask you, tell him you don't know. Simple. Or better still, remind him in his presence Jenny took him. That was exactly what happened. Just stop this your mess.
Like that, his love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me, oh.
And the truth is that we have something like this again in Abuja, in Accra, in South Africa, and in New York.
Are you serious?
Yes. So, hopefully, I will be traveling with you and showing you other ones too. You know? My father loves to make sure we have a base everywhere we take vacation. Well, I had to put in 1 or 2 contributions when we're designing this house. This area is my design, so that you can have a swimming pool here. You know how it is.
I know.
Hope you like it.
Yeah. No, I mean, the place is amazing now. I'm confused.
Please sit down. Yes. Glad you like it. From on set. How did we meet? I couldn't have met you if I didn't disguise myself to become a poor carpenter. The one you had pity on.
So you mean you with any other girl?
Lots of them. So many of them. With awkward characters. It became too much. I was prompted. I knew that the only way out was to disguise myself and change my personality to that of a low life. It was all a game. It was all fun.
Baby, see, I need money. I want to buy my groceries. I want to buy my handouts, you know, some other small things like that. It's cool to make my education faster. I need to be okay to, you know, do my exams. Babe, I just told you something.
Yeah, I was just... Wear your seatbelt, please.
I can make noise.
I was just trying to calculate, you know, how much all of that will cost.
Okay. I have a pen and a biro. Let me just calculate them here. Okay. My handout, 200,000. 200. My toiletries, say 250,000. What else? I need to change my panties and my bra. My undies, saying 200. I want a new watch. Rolex. Okay. No, Rolex is expensive. Okay, I'll just buy a very good watch. Say 500. We give until let's say like 4 million.
Wait, 500 what?
1,000.
Ah.
Then maybe say give and take, let's say 4 million.
4 million? Okay. That's not much.
Yeah, of course.
Are you sure that's all you want?
I'll just manage it for now. Maybe 2 weeks time out, I'm then need something else. Then for now, I think it's fine.
That's right.
Yes, baby. So when I give you the money, when I give me, write me a check.
I'm sure you accept Bitcoin, right? Do you have a wallet?
Oh, Bitcoin? I don't do Bitcoin. Just do me a check.
Okay, check. Well, check is outdated. I'm sure that check might bounce in the bank. So I'll give you Bitcoin to buy whatever you want. Then what is it? You've been keeping a straight face since I've been sure. What's the problem? What is making you sad?
It's so deep. Like, I will spend all my money, everything I have. I'm drained. This is getting worse.
Let's go. Let's go to your house. I need to see how she's faring. Alright?
No, baby, no.
But that's why I said let's go home. I need to see how she's faring.
Before we get home, she might just die. To get better treatment. Like now. Then we can not see her later.
Alright. It's okay. How much would you get?
It's not this one, sister.
Right? Just tell me how much, because I need you to cheer. Alright?
Are you listening to me?
About what?
My birthday.
Your birthday?
Yes, baby. I want to celebrate my birthday. I want to make it big. Talk of the town.
Diane. Last week you were on Instagram talking about how awesome your birthday was a while ago. Does your birthday now happen every 6 months?
Listen, that stuff. I did that to get someone's attention, you know, like to get money from him and stuff. It's not something.
So this time, are you doing this to get someone's attention?
What do you mean? That's not fair. Wait, are you saying that I am using it for business? I'm asking you.
How come your birthdays on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and the rest of the social media are different? Huh? Different birthdays, different era, different times.
Sweetheart, I just explained something to you right now, right? I don't get. Fine, just forget about it, because I see you are making jest of me, right? You're making fun of me, and it's not funny. Just forget about it. It's fine. And please, do not come close to me or my body. Do you understand?
Will 1 million be enough for your birthday?
Baby, so what?
I just want to know what it will take. Look at it.
Baby,
leave me alone.
Here.
Look at you. You have head money. You have head money. You are babying me.
Here.
I thought you wanted to sleep.
Come here.
Go to bed.
I want to kiss you.
I don't know how long you celebrate your birthday. No!
Babe.
Yes.
Why are you staring at me like that for? What did I do?
Nothing. You're amazing. And I can't just imagine you in another man's arms. Maybe I think we have to take this to another level.
First of all, I do not know what you mean by that. And secondly, I am so innocent of all your accusations, George.
No problem, Miss Complainant. But hey, on a serious note, I want us to take it to the next level.
I'm confused. What do you mean?
All I can think of is you as my wife. Marry me. I want us to spend the rest of our lives together. Will you marry me?
Well, I'll think about it.
It's okay. To ask, how come you don't ever use the money I give you before demanding for more?
I do not understand. Like, maybe sometimes you just come out from nowhere and then ask me strange questions. I don't understand. Wait, do you think I save all those money? Oh, or you gave them to me to save? Because I do not understand.
And the way you confidently demand for more, it seems like you know where I stashed them. Right?
Okay, right about now I'm confused. What are you driving at exactly?
Have you ever wondered how I make all that money? What I do for a living?
Babe, listen. It's not all men that like to be asked such questions, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry for not asking you in the first place. My bad. It's my fault. I'm very sorry. Forgive me. Okay, baby, so what do you do for a living, honey?
It's too late to talk about that. Find out yourself. It's too late for me to talk about
it. Baby, listen, it's not like I don't know how to cook. I cook very well, my love. You know. But you see, these people's food I wish to buy, the food is very good. It tastes better than my own, way better. You can't even compare. And you know me, I can't begin to pretend. I must say the truth. Okay? Yes, baby.
Can you listen to yourself? So what you're trying to tell me is that all these families don't cook at home because the food they get outside is nice. Huh?
Yes. Yes. But you see, in fact, I regret saying the truth to you. I regret being played to you. And this is why most girls pretend. This is it.
It's none of my business. Yes. But listen. This is the last time I will spend my money and eat out.
But I can foot the bills for now at least. Baby, listen, I can...
Diana, wake up. Wake up, please. Wake up. Please. I'm hungry. Don't make me food. I'm hungry. Go to the kitchen and cook something for us to eat.
Come on, please. What is that? I thought we are done with this issue.
Done with this issue? The only thing we're done with is the fact that you have made up your mind to cook. And that's what you're going to do now.
No, baby, come on. Baby, I told you that I will foot the bills. I told you, I volunteered.
Diane, I know you, okay? This is the games you play. You're not serious. How long will you continue to do this? Huh? At the end of the day, I'll be the one to pay the bills.
and you would find a way to skim more money out of me. Huh? Listen, if you are not going into that kitchen to cook right now, just know that from this moment, I'm not going to give you a dime, no matter how you.
Wait!
Don't pay me!
Babe?
What kind of a useless woman do I have in my life? A grown-up girl in this day and time cannot cook. She can't cook. She can't do anything. She can't do anything for me as a man. She's useless to me. What is this? All she cares about is to demand for money, money for this, money for that. Just spending my money. That's all she knows how to do. Huh? But to do something useful, she won't. No. Still is a pure lie. Look, can't go on like this. Can't go on like this. Can't. This minute is this hair, that hair, new phone, this stuff, that, this stuff, all sucking me. It's like they put straw in my body and she's trying to suck me dry. I don't cut her off in life. I will lose my mind. I'll definitely lose my mind. Like I'm losing my mind right now. I need some peace in my life. What kind of girl is this? I'm tired. I'm tired. Look at the way I'm here ranting like a madman. I'm restless. My dear, I met so many of them. Most of them were awkward. You know, the drama was too much. That's what prompted me to disguise my personality, put down my lifestyle. Cheers to them. Love you.
I was watching this guy a while ago.
Frances! Frances! Mom, I'm here.
Where was Timothy that was watching this guy a while ago? Where did he go?
It's not here. I don't know. Maybe it's inside. Or probably he went to the restroom.
Go look for him and give him this list to go buy all these listed items. It's for night food.
Okay.
Because if I change my mind now and send you, that is when you have all the time to go greet all your friends along the street. Politicians. And if anyone.
But Mom, what is wrong in me greeting my friends, saying hi to one or two people?
That is the point. You will spend all the time greeting them, thereby coming back late. Go give this thing to Timothy. Let him buy it for me. His head is still on his neck. Oh, you share the macaroni.
Okay. Remember, it's going to leave one day. And I still be here for you.
Don't worry, let that time come first. We will know how to cross the bridge. But for now, go and give him to buy these things for me. Thank you very much.
Okay, Mom.
Everything is not about money and wealth, but determination in one's life matters. In this life, you must give to receive. If you give love, you must receive love. With joy you will feel joy. Big man turns to big man. Big man turns to big man. He will listen, but man has no say. Big man turns to big man. He will listen. Things turn out best for those who make best out of things. Remember, you can't cross the ocean except you have courage. This life is what happens to you when you are busy making other plans. The best thing.
What am I saying? Jenny, this is you, right? So up to date, you're still walking on your 10 toes. You don't have a car. Drama queen. Busybody. How are you? Well, obviously, you're looking frustrated. Tell me, how is Kim?
It's very obvious you're jobless today and you don't have anything doing. And for your information, my friend Kim is very nice. She's very, very fine and she's happy. Are you okay?
Are you sure she's happy?
Very happy.
Because from the little information I gathered, she left me, Almighty Benjamin, one of hero. She left me for one useless, local, stupid boy that is now working for her father as a boy. She left a giant like me, a dogu like me for that riffraff. Is she not a waste of sperm?
All you know is money and... But it's not. I don't blame you.
Listen, there is nothing more to life than the frustration that will hit you very soon. Talk. That is all you know how to do. And you're still in this position with this cheap wares on you. Listen, like I said before, no man will love you. Nobody will marry you. Okay, look at it. Are you going my way so I can just drop you off?
I will never go your way.
How will you even go my way?
Because it's very obvious you're frustrated. And if you're not frustrated, you will not leave your car as the big boy you claim you are. So come down to come and argue with somebody you feel is nothing. But my dear, what do you know? Nothing. Go home and start. They are waiting for you.
Look at you. What are you up to now? Huh? Prostitute. Right? Prostitute. You are nothing but a frustrated prostitute.
Baby girl.
Go to the road.
Baby boy. Should I say baby girl or baby boy?
Animal.
Go home.
Hey, don't even touch me.
You need some so that you feel alright. Because as I'm seeing you right now, you're not feeling alright. You need a lot of...
Really?
Yeah.
I will smack you with this, my walking stick right now if you talk more than your mouth. You don't know me? Do you know who I am? Huh? You don't have respect? Animal. Look at her. Go to the streets. That is where you belong. Let me go on my way. Frustrated cannibal. All of you will suffer. All of you will suffer. I'm doing well. I'm doing well. Yes.
Everything is not about money and wealth, but determination in one's life matters. In this life.
Reverend Father, it will be too bad that you know about how to help me and you are not doing anything.
Thank God you know the answer already, Chief. So break it down.
Reverend Father, let us not preempt over this issue. All I know is that you are, in the door of the location where my son is. Help me out.
You, Chief? No, your son will like it.
Well, I know I may be going against their rules, but I'm like a father. I should know where my son is and how he's faring.
Still, it is not the right thing to do, Chief. Your son won't like it.
Oh, it's alright. What I take it all from me. I'm ready to pay any price Oh, as long as you can tell me the location.
Even if I'm going to give up the address, Chief, everything will be on my own terms.
Yeah. Oh, then I will tell my wife.
No, Chief. No woman is coming with us. Yeah.
I accept.
Okay.
Thank you for the thing.
I'd like to ask you a very simple question. Go ahead, my love. What if tomorrow we find out that Timothy is a prince, probably from another kingdom or son of a wealthy man, and just trying to get me as the love of his life, and you all are treating him like this? What if that happens and he decides not to have anything to do with me again? This is so deep. Is this what you call a simple question? You know, I just felt it now. What if... I don't get it. I don't see why a full-grown man like Timothy will accept to serve us, and his father stood for him for nothing. I don't know. I have never treated him bad. I've always treated him like my own son. But if one day he wants to settle scores with us, he should face your father. I mean, your heartless father to take his pound of flesh and not me. So Mom, your son Samson, will you ever allow him to go through all of this? What for? I know Timo is doing all this for love. But to what end? To prove a point to who? And I ask again, for what purpose? He left his only source of income to no one to attend to it, like you said. I mean, there is more to this than meets the eyes. Timothy has not fully told us who he really is. So let me ask you, my child. Is this what you call a simple question? Yes, Mom. It's very simple. I just wanted to know. Because of late, I've been having this wild imagination.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What is keeping Timothy? Thank you so much. Thank you.
Wait, calculate and forget now. Tip, see this. I don't go.
Timothy, is this where you are?
Do you know him?
Yeah.
Yes. We went to his house to work. My father and I went to his house to do an upholstery work some time ago. Good day, sir.
What will you shut your mouth? Idiot. Who asked you? Every time you be running your mouth. If you are less busy, go to the kitchen and find yourself something doing.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. You're welcome, sir. My father.
Sorry about that, Chief.
It's not a problem, and it is exactly the way the young man said it. I stepped in here, saw him, and was so surprised. I can't remember when last we met.
Chief, please sit. Let me get you a seat. You cannot be standing.
Yes.
As our guest.
I can't remember last we saw ourselves.
It should be maybe 12 years way back. And
yes, yes.
It's been a long time.
It's been a while.
How could you remember?
Oh, he was here with me then. He barely do not forget anything once he has seen it once.
Father, you are welcome.
Thank you, Chief. Please be fast. Get a seat for the father. Remember to get us something.
Is he trying to spoil everything that I've been working on? Is that why he's here? What kind of coincidence is this? Just calm down.
What is going on? What is your father and Reverend Mike doing in my father's house?
I don't know. I don't understand what is going on. Okay? But the last time I went over to give them some wine glass, I overheard them talking about the contract from the company that needs to be reactivated. But I know that's not why my father is here. My gut feeling tells me that he's here for something else. That's not why he's here. They were saying that just to disguise their conversation so I don't get the true meaning of what they were talking about.
I'm confused. I'm so confused. How did these men even meet each other? This can't be coincidence. It can't be.
I wish I can get to Father Mike to find out what my father is up to.
I doubt if it's your father. I think it's my father that is up to something.
Oh, no. For Father Mike to come along, it's a string my father is pulling. I am so sure.
Nevertheless, I still need to speak with my mother. She must know what my father is up to. Let me try and find out if I can get some information from her.
Okay. Thank you.
Chief, if there is a better way and a better company to do it, I think you are in the right place.
I said exactly what I told them when we were discussing this. I told them that you are the best hands to consult. And that's why I had to make the journey myself.
You did well. But this time around, you will see the latest technology in town.
I'm happy to hear this. I'm so happy. And, Chief, about that young man, I want you to take him as your own. He is a good boy. The last time I experienced him.
Wonder why you are so worried about a Casanova, a lousy lover boy who thinks of the best way to woo my daughter
is by giving me flowering service. Well, never mind. You will see what I will do to him. He will be the person to run away. The way you carry his bag and run away from this house, it will be a surprise to me. Don't worry, when I'm done with you. It's okay.
Hey, Mama. How did it go?
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome.
But I bet it's not a pleasant one for you.
How could you speak for someone I didn't get opportunity to speak?
Could you not speak with him? What went wrong?
How could we speak with you when he's practically a maid in that house? We went there for business, and anything we do might jeopardize his cover, which Chief almost did when he called him by name. But Tim was smart enough to cover up.
I don't understand what you are saying. I don't understand what both of you are saying about my son that you went to see.
Actually, we did not go there to see him.
What do you mean by you do not go to see Timothy? But did you see him?
See, it's not seen as you are saying it. See, Lola, we went there on business. The Chief went there to know where his son is.
So, but you people see my son? He's fine. Is he fine?
Going there is a wrong call.
I love it, brother. Would you please see proud? I said she's fine.
Now I understand. You both have done yes. When next Timothy visit again, I will definitely do mine. And I will stop all the debt. Period. Because I don't understand all this. This one say this one say the other one. I don't understand.
Please, help me to buy that thing I told you. Thank you very much.
That's all right. Tell Timothy that he should change to something and join me.
Why? Can you let that young man be? He's been working all day. He's tired already.
Can you hear yourself? I should allow him to stay in the house with you and Kim. So when I come back, our stories will start flying around. Is that what you mean?
What do you mean by that? Just know when you start insulting me. And I take exception to that. You're not insulting me. What's that supposed to mean?
I don't have your time. Where is Njoko?
Like that, his love is special. He knows my heart, yeah. He gives me joy. He gives me happiness. He's my lover. He's my lover. Rap for me,
Oh yes, Chief. You know, I'm a very busy man, but I always keep my promises. Hold on, let me get to you the contract.
Ben is a man of his words.
Chief, I hope you can trust him.
Perfectly. To the court.
Document properly before
No, I've read it in time. I think I'm aware. I'm aware of what the contract is all about.
Alright, there we go. So you have to sign at this particular place. Your signature and your name.
Right. Chief, don't be too quick to sign. You should read it.
No, I'm on it. I'm on it.
Alright, sign there. Then flip. Flip.
What is it?
With the information we gathered and with what you're telling us, it shows that you are avoiding so many things back from us.
Oh, no, detective, not at all. I have told you everything you needed to know about this matter. Mr. Benjamin accosted me on the road with documents of the contract we needed to execute for me to sign to save time. And while we were on it, Timothy ran to us. The next thing we had was gunshot that took him to the hospital, and that's all.
Chief, after interrogating your wife and your daughter, with the information we gathered, it shows that the young man is not a stranger to this family.
Oh, well, yeah, you're right. Not at all. He's not a stranger, yeah?
Yes, sir. Then you should know more than you're telling me, Chief.
You're trying to cover up Benjamin. We need to say you've been working hand in hand with him. I don't see why the police will leave what happened and begin to ask us different questions. It means the police have been tracking Benjamin.
Benjamin, police should look at
something else, right? Why are you talking like this? I have not seen someone that does not share anything with his family, but prefer to share it with outsiders. Just answer the questions the police want to ask you. Maybe there are crimes Benjamin would have committed which you do not know about. So by tomorrow, if police should find out, he should go in and serve his punishment rather than drag my family and I into this. No! What's the possibility? Chief, I should be asking you. The way the police are after Benjamin, are you going to tell me it's just because Timothy was shot? Now let's tell ourselves the truth. Okay, look at it. The king you said you do not want him to get closer to is the person you sent to go spend the night with him with Francis at the hospital. Why didn't you go to stay with him instead? Rather than send the children to go there. You were saving Kim. Don't go, don't touch, don't smoosh. And you sent her yourself to go stay with him overnight at the hospital, no?
Kim, what I'm saying is, whatever your father is saying or wants to do, please don't hide anything from his parents because of tomorrow.
To be honest, what father said. Because telling that old man like coffee drinking and pushed up for the old man. I mean, how can we explain this news that his son was shot?
I understand what you're saying, you're right. But Kim here knows exactly why and she was informed to parents. Because of tomorrow. So that if anything happens tomorrow, they won't be like, nobody informed them.
You keep referring to opportunities and this was over. I mean, you only know Cosimo's father. Is there anything about the family that you know about?
Okay, I understand all of you. I share the same view with you. Yes. But at the same time, we have to go to the city to break out of that and ask things with him. I really just want to activate that situation. Okay? You're right. That's fine. And that's it. Yes. All right.
Chief, for 3 days now, Benjamin is nowhere to be found. Even to check up on the young man that took a bullet for him, it's like a curse.
Maybe he has an idea that your people are after him.
Chief, he knows we've been after him for years. Just that he's been trying to keep himself clean. Though this time around, we have a lead that connects to why he was wanted dead.
After many years? That's something deep.
Yes, Chief. And if those assassins after him tries to get him before us and couldn't, they will go after everything Benjamin loves and everything that is close to him. Yes, that's the way it works.
Wait a moment. Which means my family's life is in danger.
Chief, it's your call to make.
Anyway, I'll make 1 or 2 calls and I'll get back to you.
Always at your service, because there's no time.
Joe, him and I have spoken to Mr. President about everything. So everything is in order. But I'm still worried about something. You know, the police that keep coming around, hanging around, and asking everyone that comes to see Timothy questions. I didn't even want to give him. Don't you think we should go to his parents and inform them for formality's sake?
That is not good. Timothy will not want to pull out of here. And his father is already raising us to know what is going on. I think we should allow him to finish the fire. If he wants to do anything, he should bring one to help us.
Yes. You're right, but this is where I'm getting the problem. What is Timothy trying to do? He only not living the beginning. So he needs to come out of the shell.
You should take him out yourself. Like a big way.
What is the meaning of this? Chief, what is the meaning of this? Huh? Yes, who are you?
We are the officers of the law.
Officer of which law?
Federal Republic of Nigeria.
Yes, you can. You have the right to remain silent, because whatever you say or do now will be used against you in the court of law.
Very beautiful advice. Just follow them.
Chief, I want to get you correctly. What is the meaning of this nonsense you're creating here?
We will explain to them when we get to the station. It's simple.
What is my offense?
Police is your friend. Follow them.
Talk about that.
What is my offense?
Move.
I will move you.
Still looking for things. Police is your friend. Follow them. They will not eat you.
Chief, mark my words. You will regret this. You must regret this. You call this yellow man for me? Huh? No problem. I will see your boss and both of you must be fired.
Alright. Move it.
Don't freaking touch me.
Move it.
Move.
You heard him. He's talking about fire. Fire. Fire.
You don't want to be forced.
He should be searched. He has gone. Fire.
After everything I did for you, Chief. You don't know who I am. Benjamin, one of Europe. You are messing with me.
Mr. Benjamin, move it.
Everything is not about money and wealth. but determination in one's life matters. In this life, you must give to receive. If you give love, you must receive love. If you give joy, you will feel joy. Big man turns to big man. Big man turns to big man. He will listen, one man has no say. Big man turns to big man. He will listen.
My dear Timothy, now I get it. Now I understand the whole thing. I can now see the light at the dark end of the tunnel. And I wondered severally how you jumped in the gap to take bullet made for me. Who knows what would have happened? It could have been me in this your position, even worse. And I thought it this way. Many young men of your age would have preferred that I take the bullet and die. So they will have access to my daughter and take her completely. And I thought it this way. What kind of a boy am I? Please, from the depth of my heart, forgive me. I'm sorry. Despite my creep and careless attitude towards you, you still did not much. Thank you. It's okay, Chief. It's alright. I forgive you for everything. Thank you. It's okay.
Kim, the permission Timothy took was for his own good. He needs his father to take care of him as well. So worry not.
That shouldn't stop him from calling me.
Maybe his father did not allow him. He wants him to take proper rest.
He's resting. He can't call, he can't send text message. Mama was there for him when he was at the hospital.
You worry a lot. Can you let him be? Give him a break.
You don't understand. You won't really understand.
Make me understand. Make me understand. If there is anything you know which I do not know, let me know now. Only.
Son, I forbid you from making calls or texting. And if you mistakenly on any of your phones for you to be contacted, honestly, whatever I tell you, be brave enough to take it from me.
Dad, can you hear what she said?
Of course he heard me. He sure stands with me. Yes.
That's enough. How on earth could you take bullets for a stupid person and none of them deemed it fit to tell me what is going on? I've had enough of you in that house.
It's high time you moved on with your life. It's as simple as this.
I know you're my parent. By no means do I disobey you, but I just need to make one call. Just one call.
Sir, it would be a good idea if I enforce the idea of babysitting you in this house or in the name of self. You wouldn't like the idea of enforcing the idea of babysitting you in this house, all because of this nonsense. You keep reminding me of your imprudent adventure all in the name of looking for a future wife. Don't remind me of that.
I understand that you're both my parents. I can't disobey you. All I'm just asking for is one call. Just one call.
That's enough.
There is no way he will explain everything that happened to him to his father and the way they treated him, and they will allow him to come back. No, I don't think so.
Do are you also agreeing with me?
Look, I'm thinking to what you have his father's trying to manage, but I believe
He decided to stay back without trying to reach out to me. That wasn't the agreement. Yes, my parents may have treated him bad, but I didn't partake in that. He knows I love him. They have just reached out to me. Guys, see, I know this is not the right thing to do, but I'll take my chances. I will go straight to their house. I need to talk. Yes, I have to go. I need to talk to them one-on-one.
And you think they were welcomed with an open arms?
Even if they did, I would know I have tried my best. Other than sitting here and assuming this. Maybe something is even wrong with me. I need to get the details of what's going on.
She's right, you know. Yes, as a woman, I will do the same. Until I'm sure I've gone wrong, I will stop.
Listen, as a man, I'm telling you that it's not right to do.
But that's why I have you here. That's why we're having this conversation. I'm proposing that you guys should go with me. So when do you intend to go?
Listen, I suggest you leave church. And if you listen, you take it back. Okay?
I do. Let's wait till weekend. If I don't get to hear from you till weekend.
Fair enough.
Thank you.
But for your father to refuse you reconnecting to your second family, it's wrong. That's why I want you to talk to them. I don't want to disobey them and start unnecessary war with my family. That's because you're a good son. Many would have welcomed the war, but it's a wrong choice. Thank you, Father. Please, can we go now? The more we wait, the more time we waste, and the more things get out of hand.
No problem. We can go now. We can go
She's my true love. I must let go from her. She's my love. My love. She's my true love. I must let go from her. I said I think it see. Oh, in a bottom kitty. Like you get to me, my dear. No going back. I said I think it see. Oh, in a bottom kitty. Like you get to me, my dear. No going back. Now my love. She's my true love. I must let go from her. Now my love. She's my true love.
Taco! What a pleasant surprise! Is this my boy? You are a driver?
The point of correction to the matter. Timothy here that you have manhandled all the while because he came for your daughter with my son.
Eh? Eh? Chief Inspector. Tell me you are not telling me the truth.
Well, it wasn't my plan, so please.
Did you know about this all this while? I didn't know from the start. Yeah, I got a clue. Wow. Now I know the meaning. A simple man who sees the world from a different view.
Before I decided to serve you and your family for 1 week, I've already made up my mind to you for anything that you would do against me. It was a price I had to pay for the love I had for 1 week. And it was worth it.
This type of price you pay is equal to that Jesus. The one Jesus paid for all of us. Chief Ezako, this is serious. In fact, the celebration will continue inside my house. Let me retaliate and revenge. Let us go. Aye! Chief Ezako! Follow me.
I see you. I see you.
Hey, come on. You go to the gate. Hey! Oh, my God.
Come on, I will do anything for her sake. I can serve you all my life because of my love. Now my love, she's my true love. I must labor for her. Anyam fulonanya. Now my love, she's my true love. I must labor for her. Anyam fulonanya. She's my love. Now my love, she's my true love. Labor for her, I am for I said that we keep on